Hello, dear parents. My name is Vritika.
And Navya.
We are from Standard 5th Division F. Let's talk about another topic which is KYC. And the full form is no, it's not called Marega Karodpati. It is Know Your Customer and sometimes Know Your Client. KYC is a mandatory process of identifying and verifying the client's identity when opening an account and periodically over time.
Government issued ID card verification and additional proof of address such as utility bill and bank statement are all part of the KYC document list used by the bank when onboarding a new customer. For example, Aadhaar card, PAN card, driving license, etc.
Thank you.